Hello to all my beauty enthusiasts. This is Heather with Eye of the Beholder, and I'm going to start your new year off right with a gift of free hair. First, I would like to unbox with you my newest addition to my RUNATURE collection of human hair. This the Remy mini tape ends, 18 inches in length. It's a highlighted blonde, and the color is 18613, silky straight. So here we go. Alright, I'm gonna let you have a look at my hair, and please stay tuned because at the end I have a giveaway for you of your own free mini tape ends. So it's gonna be super easy too because I'm a brand new channel. Oh, these are so cute. First of all, let's just appreciate this beauty of RUNATURE hair every time. It's just gorgeous. I bought this to add some highlights to my hair, and mini tape ends is a fantastic way to do that. So I'll be using my 18P 613 mini tape ends to put highlights into my hair, and I'll make a video doing that as well. And now for the giveaway. This is going to be fun because I'm a very small channel, so you have a fantastic chance of winning. I'm going to ask you just to simply to comment. You could say contest or hair in my comment section on this video. And also please subscribe to my channel, Eye of the Beholder. Video when I'm installing these on myself, I will be announcing the winner, and you would just contact me via email at perceptiverealities@gmail.com. Okay, and so this is what the gift would be. So it's also miniature tape ends in 18 inches. The color is black, a #1 shade. So let me show them to you to make sure it is something that you would like. You can use them as low lights since they're very small. I'm not going to open it because it's a brand new. I don't want to, since I'm giving it away, I'd like it to be a new. So you have 18 inches of black. Try to get as close as you can so you can see the color. Okay. And there's going to be 20 pieces of Remy 18-inch silky straight RUNATURE hair, and this will be your gift completely free. I will mail them to you. Just please comment either hair or contest in my comments, or anything you'd like to say really. Please subscribe to my channel, Eye of the Beholder, and I will announce the winner in the following video, which will be next week. And if you are the winner, you will receive these in the mail. I'll just contact you through email about your shipping information. Thank you so much again for joining me with my video giveaway and unboxing, and I'd like to wish you all a happy 2021, and I will see you in the next video. Good luck.